Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloons TD6 as the Bloon. To succeed, you must think like a Bloon, understanding your own strengths and the monkey's weaknesses. Your goal is to slip past their defenses and reach the end of the track. We will explore various Bloon types, their immunities, and how to use them to your advantage. By mastering these tactics, you can challenge even the most formidable monkey towers and claim victory. Every Bloon type possesses distinct immunities that can render certain monkey towers completely ineffective. For instance, black Bloons will simply ignore bomb shooters and other explosive attacks. White Bloons are impervious to freezing effects, allowing them to bypass ice monkeys. Lead Bloons laugh at darts and sharp projectiles, demanding powerful blunt force. Purple Bloons are immune to energy, plasma, and fire, making many magic towers useless against them. Remember, camo Bloons are invisible to most towers, requiring special detection. To truly play as the Bloon, you must exploit the monkey's weaknesses. If a monkey defense relies heavily on sharp attacks, a wave of lead Bloons will sail right through. Against magic-focused towers, a stream of purple Bloons can be devastating. Fast pink Bloons, moving at a speed of 3.5 units per second, can overwhelm towers with low pierce. By mixing and matching Bloon types, you force the monkeys to invest in diverse defenses, often leaving them vulnerable elsewhere. For advanced Bloon tactics, consider regrow Bloons. If not fully destroyed, they regenerate their layers, potentially overwhelming defenses. Fortified Bloons boast double health, making them much tougher to pop. The dreaded DDT Bloon is a true challenge, combining lead, black, and camo immunities while moving as fast as a pink Bloon. Finally, boss Bloons like Bloonarius have tens of thousands of health and unique abilities, requiring specific counter strategies from the monkeys to defeat. Master these, and victory is yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.